Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Dell account. So I made a video already about Dell, but a lot of people got approved. And I just figured I'll just make another video because sometimes people don't go to older videos to even see about what credit cards that they can get. And this is a good one because they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. You don't necessarily have to have the best credit to get approved. And I see a lot of people getting approved between $3,000 and $5,000. So definitely apply for this. Try to see if you can pre-qualify for it, especially if you need another credit card, if you want an account that's going to report, or maybe you want to get a deal. Like, there you go. And then they have special financing terms too. So definitely this can be a great one for you if you really definitely want to get that deal. So here is a few of them here. Somebody said they was able to get approved for $3,000. Another person $4,500. Somebody else said they was pre-approved of $4,000, but they want to know how many points do higher inquiries affect the credit score. Also, will this card increase my score immediately if I decide to move forward with the card? Now, when it comes down to this question too, hard inquiries, you guys, it's no like set thing like your credit score is going to go down this amount. I always tell people like 3 to 10 points, sometimes 3 to 8 points is how much your credit score is possibly going to go down from that one hard inquiry. And depending on how many credit cards you already have reporting, your utilization, how many inquiries you already have, is going to let us know how much your credit score is going to go up, because we don't know. We don't know how bad you need a credit card on your credit reports. We don't know if you have 10 credit cards already and this one's going to hurt you because you just have too many, because you're messing up your credit age. We don't know. I don't know how much your credit score is going to go up, but I figure I'll make this video. If you guys are looking to get approved, then this one can be a great one for you. If you can't get approved, then definitely check out my free 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. It's a free webinar. I actually send it to you. Watch it. Try to see if you can get approved for credit cards after you go through this process. A lot of people see that their credit score can go up quickly. They just don't know the steps. And when you guys sign up for this too, I give you a free inquiry removal letter, and then like I give you a free dispute letter if you got collections, bankruptcies, charge-offs, late payments, these different things. I give you a free letter to work to remove that from your credit reports. And I think that everybody should have this stat. So definitely check this out. And hopefully you get your credit score higher to be able to get approved. Now let's check out this Dell, because that's what we came here for. That's what you guys came here for. You want to check out the Dell. So you guys can get pre-qualified for the Dell, which is really, really amazing. You guys are going to get a $50 in Dells when you guys get approved, and then also 3% back in rewards on finance purchases. So I really, really like that. I really like that you guys can really pre-qualify for it. That's the best thing. I like any credit card that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Sometimes people apply for a lot of cards and it just dropped their credit scores. So if they say they can possibly approve you, like that one person said they was able to get that pre-qualification for $4,000, then you can decide if you want to go through with it or not without damaging your credit. Here's their special offers. So this is something that's really amazing too. So you guys are not going to not get charged any interest if you pay in full within 6 months, and you have to make sure you have a minimum purchase of $199 or more, and it got to be between these dates here. And then also they have a 12-month one, so no interest if you pay it within 12 months, and that's going to be on purchases of $79 or more. And then for all, no interest if paid in full within 6 or 12-month offers. They have more information they want you to know here. Now, this is my warning when you guys see these different things. This is my warning. If you guys do not pay your bill in full ahead of time, you guys are going to get charged interest as if you never did this at all. Keep that in mind, because that happens a lot. So if they say you got 6 months to pay it, you probably want to pay it off a month early or something, just to make sure that you guys are not going to be charged interest. Because if you do not pay it off early, you think, oh, okay, well, I have 6 months to pay it, I'm just going to start paying interest starting today. No, they're going to backdate the interest from the time that you first signed up. So make sure that you pay your bill off in full, because you can really get caught up like that. And I don't want you to get caught up like that. It happened to me before and I was so salty. I was so salty, but I know now, and I learned my lesson. Sometimes you gotta go, you gotta go through certain things or hear other people going through it to, like learn your lesson. But you can go ahead and shop and see if there's anything here that you want. I do suggest that you go ahead and just try to see if you can get pre-qualified um, for the card right away. Again, it's no impact to your credit score at all. You just put your first name in, your last name, your address. If you have an apartment or a unit number, go ahead and put that in. And then also the last 4 digits of your social security number. And it's as simple as that. They can check and see if you pre-qualify for it. And they have some Q&A here. So does a pre-qualification affect your credit score? No, it does not. Does pre-qualification mean I am guaranteed to be approved? No, it is. No, I am. No, you are not. It just means that you have a greater chance of being approved, but it's not a guarantee. What am I pre-qualifying for? You pre-qualifying for a credit card. Well, a credit line, a revolving line of credit, basically. If I get pre-qualified, what do you have to do next? You have to actually do the application. How soon can I use my Dell account after it's open? You can use it right away, immediately, you guys. What does it mean to be pre-qualified? That means that they screened you, a small little screening, and they think that you may be able to get that credit card. They want to look at your Experian credit report. Somebody said that already, but they also said here too that Experian is going to return some basic information, and they think that you can get approved based off of that information. What are the benefits of the pre-qualification? The benefits to me is that you guys are not getting a hard inquiry, and they could tell you yes or no without you, getting all excited going through the process. That hard inquiry could drop your credit score. Is getting pre-qualified mandatory? No, you can skip that and go directly to the application. Can I still apply for the Dell preferred account if I am not able to be pre-qualified? Yes, you can, but don't forget too, that's going to be a hard inquiry, and it still can come back the same. So please keep that in mind. Can I still check pre-qualification if I place a freeze on my credit report? Yes, you can, but I really think that you could take it off of there. You should take it off of there, because they're not going. They may say yes, but then when they pull your credit, they're gonna say no, and I don't want that to happen to you. How do I ensure my information matches what is on file with the credit bureaus? By looking at your credit report. I think that what credit bureau is used. So they're going to use your Experian credit report. So that's all of their questions. I really hope that you guys get approved for the Dell preferred account. If you guys do get approved, go ahead and put it down in the comments so that other people can be motivated. Other people can do it, you guys. They'll know that they have a chance of getting approved. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And don't forget, I have another class starting with more one-on-one help. I send you a personalized video. We meet up 4 times throughout the 60 days. I send you a personalized video saying, hey, this is what we have to do next. So definitely check out the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.